Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome on Monday. Yes, it's Monday. Monday, March the 8th, 2021. Here, I have sad news. We have only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. Only one Sudoku because I thought we have also an additional, but there is no additional. Let me show you. Okay. Alright. So there is no extra Sudokus today. So I decide to continue with the puzzle page of Friday because I have solved all the puzzles on Saturday. So I will do the rest of the Sudokus puzzles of Friday instead of no extra Sudokus, only one regular Sudoku, and this is a medium Sudoku. So I will solve this one first and later the extra Sudokus of last Friday. Alright, so let's get started. And this Sudoku will be a number 2, 4, 3, 6. Yes, 3, 6. Before I start, I always count or print the digits. This one has 26. I've already counted. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle first. Yeah. How about the third row? We have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 and a 6 in this big square, so no 5 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 5 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the third row. For the numbers 4 and 9, and look, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. And now, let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. There are 5, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9 we have here in this column. So no 3 and the 9 in this box. So the 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. 5. 1, 2, 3. Let me see. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, here 6, no 6 there. Oh, we already have a 6 here. So this is not the right choice. How about the 2 and the 4. 1, 2, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 in this big square. We see here 2 and a 4, so no 2 and a 4 in this box. The 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 1. Alright, 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 5 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 5. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. Same story with the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 7. Could be here, could be there. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and... Oh, this is not the 9. This should be a... We have a double 9 here. We have 5, 6, 4, and the 2. It should be a 2. This box should be a 2. Yes, we have a 5, 6. Alright. So I made a mistake. 4 and a 2, not 4 and a 9. We already have a 9 here. So this should be a 2. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Then this is a 7. Let me see. The 2 in this row, the 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. Yes, the 9 is missing. Then 9. Let me see. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Then 186 are missing. 186 in these 3 boxes. Let me mark those 186. So the other 2 numbers in the last column are the numbers 9 and 5 are missing. 9 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 9 and 5. Okay. Alright. 186. So let me think. 241. No, 248. Yes, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. We have here the 9 and the 5, so these 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between, the middle row. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. We have here the 7 and the 5, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. Alright. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 4 and 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5. Alright, 4 and a 5. How about those 2 numbers in the middle row? Those numbers are the 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5 are missing. Correct. Alright. Yeah, 1. Let me see. 4 should be here. Yeah. Okay. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so the row between. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 8, alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5, and this box should be a 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, only place for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. The 9 is missing here. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only place for the 9 should be there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can't be 9 anymore. This box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and a 2 goes here. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Great. Medium Sudoku, 2-star Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Yes. yes, I will continue in a minute with the puzzles of Friday. Yes, last Friday. Yes, the puzzles on Saturday, I have solved them all on Saturday and Sunday, so I will continue later with the extra Sudokus of Friday. So see you later. Bye bye for now. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. See you then. Bye bye for now.